Welcome back to Fresh Living, everybody. If you want to explore the great outdoors on a walk around the neighborhood with your cat, well, Dr. Devon Smith has some tips to help you pick the perfect leash. Let's take a look.
If you have a cat like Bruce here, you might have noticed that your cat loves sitting in windows and watching the great outdoors. Now, if you want to get adventurous with your kitty, there are mainly two ways that you can safely allow them to experience the outside world. The first option would be to use a cat harness and leash and to allow them to walk around and explore outside with you. The second option would be a pet stroller, which might allow you to take your cat on walks outside. If you opt for a harness, I would suggest having your cat wear the harness inside for a few sessions to acclimate to the feeling of the harness on their body before graduating to the outdoor. The same goes for the stroller. It might be worth feeding your cat in the stroller or leaving it out in the home so that he or she can climb in and out on their own to get comfortable with the stroller. Connect with us at our station website by looking up For Pet's Sake. We'd also love to see your favorite pet moments that you can share with our community. Go to our news app, click Explore, chime in, and upload your pet-tastic photos.